Hi, welcome to Performance Unlimited. Today for you in the Dynasty we have one of our 383 400 horsepower engine packages. This customer ordered this motor for a 49 Chevy pickup truck that he's doing. Came out really trick looking. He's actually going after the black and aluminum look. Thing came out sweet. We painted the motor black for him. Did the Chevrolet crinkle finish valve covers. We got the crinkle finish air cleaner on off to the side that'll be going on this motor. Did the black wires with the wire looms, and he went with the vintage air alternator power steering and AC pulley kit, keeping the looks of the black and aluminum going. This thing really looks trick. If you're interested in our 383 400 horsepower package and like one custom built for your needs, feel free to give us a call at any time at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at PerformanceUnlimited.com. Let's take you over to Donovan. I think you guys are pretty impressed.